Hey, welcome back to John's Garage. So, some dirtbag decided to steal one of my center caps off of one of my chrome wheels, and he used a screwdriver to pry it off, nicking up the chrome a little bit. So, I looked around, and you can't buy the center caps with the gold leaf emblems from Acura anymore. I looked all over junkyards on eBay, can't find them. So, I did find online this reseller on Amazon that sold something called Kits Pro that has chrome 69 millimeter for Honda, and it says 69 millimeter outer / 64 millimeter inner chrome blank, a pack of 4 for 24 bucks, so $6 per wheel. Not bad. I think these look really good. What do you think?